Friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So after long back, I've come up with the to record one session like how you can use a cloud code for free of cost in your laptop. Imagine your laptop has a 16 GB RAM and say SSD hard disk, okay, or HDD hard disk, whatever is that, and you want to run cloud code in your local system free of cost with API. Okay, you don't need to download any model. You can use one API and you can use it for free. So here you can see in the screen, I have installed the Cloud Code locally, and I'm able to use this Cloud Code locally at a free of cost. Of course, it will be little bit slow, but the response will be amazing. Okay, so yeah, so you can see the responses are also moderately good. So how you can leverage the Cloud Code in your local system? So for that case, you need to install the Cloud Code CLI in your laptop. I'm using Windows 11, so I will show you for Windows 11. So you need to install Cloud Code in your local system. And second would be the Open Code AI. So this is a very fantastic tool. So let me take you through this tool. So first of all, if you have not installed the Open Code or first Cloud Code, so first you need to download the Cloud Code. So how you can do? You can go to the official documentation of Cloud Code. I will add you in this description as well. So you can just go and start installing. So in Windows 11, you need to open up your PowerShell. I'll open up my PowerShell and hit this URL. So it will install in your local system. That's all. So first thing is done. Now, second thing is you have to install the Open Code AI. So for this case, what you can do, you can type Open Code. That's all. So once you type Open Code, go to the documentation firstly. Now, this will give you the curl command. So either you can do curl or npm. So I recommend you go through npm if you have installed npm. If not, then go with the curl. Okay, so I will copy this one and again go to my PowerShell and I'll paste it here and hooray, good to go. Open Code AI. So once it is installed in your system, then yeah, you will unlock the potential of using the open Cloud Code AI in your mobile system. Okay, once it is done, so what you need to do, you need to go to this Zen, okay, and go with the Zen and get started with Zen and create your account. And once it is done, what you need to do, copy this Zen, Open Code API. Okay, so make sure this is what you need to do. And second thing is now I'll take you through the local system. So what will happen once you install both Cloud Code and Open Code, then next course of action would be you have to go to your username in C drive. Okay, users, then username. So here you can see there will be in my case there are some folders are there, but for your case what you need to do, you need to find the Cloud Code. Okay, Cloud Code folder. Go to Cloud Code and there will be settings.json. In the right hand side you can see JSON file. So your focus is to make some little bit changes in settings. Okay, I'll open up the settings file. So this is a settings file. So what you need to do, you need to copy paste this settings in your Cloud Code's settings.json file. Don't worry, I will also paste this in the description. I will put up it's better I will put up this link, GitHub link from where you can take a copy paste. In fact, I will do both. First, I will put up in the description and then later I will amend it to the GitHub. So once you are done, so first of all, what you need to understand here, you need to understand about this one open code. So what first of all let me take you for the open code. Once you are done with this installation of open code, so let us see how open code looks like. So I'll go to see change AI projects open code. Okay, open code. So I will open up open code and I will try to get it. So now it is showing me invalid API key. Don't worry. we want to see which models are available. So here you can see there are one, two, three, four free models are available. OpenCode Zen, Minimax, Nemotron, DeepSeek, and this Big Pickle 5. Okay. So I don't consider Big Pickle because I have not much used. I have used Queen 3.6 Plus, Nemotron, and Minimax 2.5. So what you need to do, you need to check which models are available for you. And in your JSON file, clouded JSON, here there is one uh, line called Anthropic model. So here you have to right, you have to replace this with this, any one of the four or five models. Okay, so for a demonstration purpose, I put up next 2.5 free. Okay, this I have put up, and this is good to go. Now, my next course of action would be once it is done, then uh, next, your Cloud Code's settings are integrated with the open code free models. Okay, now let me take a test of Cloud Code. So I'll go to my default directory, AI project, open code. Okay, now I simply type Cloud Code. So first time it may ask you to go ahead with this folder and blah 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 whatnot. So once you are okay, you can see this kind of screen. So let me check first model. So here you can see it is showing the custom model because what you did change you did modify this model. Okay, and now this model is okay. Now, so one more important thing I forgot to mention. This is Anthropic API key. Okay, so how you can get this Anthropic API key? So it is very simple. Uh, open what open code account you have created over here. Okay, so you will be redirected to the Zen. Let me take you through the official documentation how you can go to that. So let me type open code. I type open code, open this website, go to the Zen, and once you go to the Zen, start with Zen. Start with Zen. So once you are done with the Zen, what you need to do, you don't need to enable this billing. So this is not required. Go to the API key. Right here, there is a action called create API button. So click on this and copy this API key and paste your API key here and save it. That's all. So this is all set. Now, next course of action, which is expected this an anthropic model, it will technically use your cloud codes setting, and it will use open code.ai /zen as a base URL. And whatever the models are available, it will feature it. Now let me test this models, like how beautiful it looks like. So say, hey, what's up? So, since it is an API based, so and of course it is a free model from Minimax API, so it is just taking a little bit of time, but hope you have patience. And this is fantastic things like how it can help us to use all the functionalities of your cloud code in your local system. So it's like hope and let me just, I mean, you can use uh, all of your cloud codes latest features in your local system with free of cost. Now, let me tell you. So here you can see I have used Minimax. So next, I will if I want to use anything else, so I will replace it with Minimax with latest model. So this will be, say for example, DeepSeek will be for Flash. So it will also work comfortably for me as well. So let me understand how this is configured. Yeah. So in this case, you can use name and Queen 3.6 plus free as well. So hope this will help you to kickstart your cloud code in your local system. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. Thank you very much for watching this video.